So in Qwen, what you can actually also do is use video chat feature. So to do that, you need to go around over here onto use voice and video chat, and then go to video chat right here. So once you actually go around over here, you can actually see that my webcam has been turned on. So I can simply go ahead and ask Qwen, can you see me?
Well, it seems like you've got your webcam set up and ready to go. If you have any questions or need help with something related to it, feel free to ask me more. What else can I assist you with today?
So how many fingers am I holding?
Oh, you're holding 5 fingers.
So you can see that I actually can go ahead and then chat with Qwen right here. So now how many fingers I'm holding?
You're holding 2 fingers.
So you can see that it actually goes ahead and then recognizes what I'm actually showing. So I'm just going to go ahead and tell it this. So describe how I look.
It sounds like you're trying to figure out how to get the system to recognize what you're showing it. If you want to tell it how you look, maybe describe some key features or details that stand out.
So just tell me like how I look like right now.
Well, from what I see, you seem to be wearing glasses and have short hair. Oh, and you're dressed in a green shirt. Anything else you'd like to share about yourself?
So you can see that Qwen actually recognizes what I'm wearing and what I'm showing it right here. So just like this, I can actually go ahead and show some elements. And let's say, for example, can you tell me what is this?
Sure thing. The object you're holding is a USB flash drive. It's used for storing data and transferring files between devices.
So you can see that it is quite useful right there. And that is how you can actually go ahead and utilize the video chat feature inside of Qwen. To end it, you can simply go ahead and click on close, and you can see that the video chat ends. And that is how you can utilize the video chat feature inside of Qwen. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.